Right. Okay. So let me record from my side and let me share the screen. Fine. Okay. So this is how we are going to create the table, and this is how we are going to filter the data from the table. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's it for today. I'll give you the assignment. Okay. So you can complete the assignment by tomorrow. Right. And let me give you the assignment. Okay. Right. So what you can do is create a database with mm, more, okay, more supermarket. With more supermarket, just create one database. The name should be more supermarket. Okay, let me write down the name, more supermarket. Okay, I am not brand ambassador for more supermarket, just giving a live examples, that's it. Okay, fine. In this more supermarket, create a table with items, item number, item name, whatever columns you want to choose, you can choose it. Okay, create a table with items. Okay, that is a second assignment. And again, create a database of movies. Just create a database with movies names, and in that create a table, okay, with collections. Okay, just create a table, movies with collections. Collections, you know, right, what kind of columns will be there. Collections means movie collections. Okay, movie collections, how much revenue it is going to generate. Just create a table with movie collections. Next thing is, okay, what is the next thing we are going to check. Okay, let me go to the server. Where is the server? Ah, okay. uh, Database we have created, drop table we have created. Okay, Galaxy. Okay, fine. Right. And filter a table. Filter filter the columns. Filter some columns in each table. Your wish. Okay. Whatever filter you are going to say, for example, in the items column, imagine there are three columns are there: item number, item name, item cost. Okay, just filter one or two columns. I just need filtering of columns. I just need a query to filter columns from the table. Okay, and one more thing is, okay, filter the rows using where condition. Whatever condition you want, you can write it. Imagine in the items table, any items are there more than 5,000 rupees. I need those items. I need query to pull the details of the items more than 5,000 rupees. So like this, whatever where condition you want to apply, your wish. I'm not going to tell you what kind of where condition you are going to apply. That is your wish. You can happily apply your own where condition and all. Okay, so I want query for filtering the columns. I want query for filtering the rows on all these two tables. This is the assignment for the next class. And once you have completed, okay, just simply send me the screenshot to my WhatsApp number. I'll check it. Okay, fine. I need query for all these things. Fine, right? So that's it for today. Okay, so any questions, let me know. Otherwise, tomorrow evening by 7:30 p.m. we are going to connect.
Sir,
Yes.
how can we insert data using GUI?
GUI, yeah? Okay. So that is also simple. Okay. Go to the table. This is sales table, right? Right click, edit. Edit top 1,000 rows will be there. Where is that? There is that. This is database, right? Okay. Let me right click, go to the right click on the table, edit top 200 rows. Choose this option. Okay. So we have already inserted three records, right? So you can see all these three records. Now I want to insert third record. Here Mahesh, I'll write down as Mahesh. His salary is, okay, 31k. Right after completion, just save it and you can close it. Automatically it will be closed. Now if you run it, what is this employee, right? Select star from employee. You can see four records. Okay, so like this you can insert the table using GUI option. Right click, Sorry, right click on the table, edit top 200 rows will give you, okay, a way to insert the records using GUI. Any questions?
sir.
Any doubts? Yeah. Any doubts, guys? Usually Friday we'll discuss 1.5 hours only. I don't want to put you a lot of pressure on you. Friday we'll discuss 1.5 hours, 7:30 to 9. Okay. Mostly we are going to close by 9, 9:10 like that after discussing doubts and all. Saturday, Sunday as usual 7:30 to 9:30. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Tell me, Brian.
Yeah, when I was trying to run my remote desktop,
Mm.
it says that my IP is not compatible.
Mm.
That the version of my Windows is that I have to upgrade to professional. I don't know if that's what we need.
Yes. 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 So only Windows Professional will allow us to do, okay, remote desktop. How to check the Windows version? Open run in your laptop, type MS Info 32. Okay. So there you can see the version of your operating system. Once you expand this window, you can see, okay, Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. Okay, only these version will allow us for the remote desktop connection. Some home basic versions are there, so it won't allow for the remote desktop. So you are going to get the error. Okay, remote desktop connection is not enabled or it is not compatible. Okay, so your OS should be Microsoft Windows 10 or 7, anything, but it should be Pro, 10 Pro. For 7, I guess the operating system is Windows 7, not home basic. Windows 7 there are a lot of versions as there, right? Highest version is there, some enterprise edition you have to check it. So in these two editions of your Windows operating system, RDP will work, remote desktop connection will work.
Okay, sir. Yeah, because I did that and I tried to update my Windows to 10 Pro and the system, I don't know what happened. It corrupt. I had to talk
You have
with
to be very
Microsoft.
careful while
Yeah,
don't talk with
I
Microsoft.
reinstalled.
Who
Okay,
gave the software, talk with them first. Okay,
okay,
from where you
okay,
bought that software?
okay.
From where you bought the software?
It came from the Best Buy, like from the shop where I bought
Best
it
Buy.
with the
Okay, okay,
computer.
okay.
Yeah.
Then just first check with them. If not, check with the Microsoft. Again, while installing OS, you have to be very careful. It will corrupt your machine sometimes.
So I had to reinstall my computer.
Yes, you
So
have to
this morning
reinstall.
I was struggling. I reinstalled. I
Okay.
used the method that you showed us on running the Windows, the Windows server.
That is
Said,
different. This is different, man. Don't try to
yeah,
install manually. Yes, of course,
yeah,
almost same, but one or two options will be different. That's it. Like partitioning
yeah,
the disks and all will be somewhat different. Yeah.
yeah. Like since my computer doesn't have the DVD, so I had to create the ISO, the
Okay,
power
okay.
ISO. Yeah, that's what I did because the guys, what they were telling me was to create a backup USB.
No, you
And
want to upgrade your own operating system, right? Laptop operating system, right?
yes,
Then how come you are going to convert into ISO image? It doesn't
because I
get
did not.
no. In case you
Sorry.
convert, in case you convert into ISO image, where you are going to attach? How you are going to attach it?
So I boot the system from the ISO that I
How you
saved
are
on my
going to
hard,
give that
hard drive.
ISO image? How you are going to give ISO image? You are
I
going to
downloaded the Power
okay.
ISO
Mhm.
software. Then I burn it on the hard drive,
So
and then
it's
I boot
not
the computer.
required. It's not required, Brian. ISO
Okay.
image only for the practice purpose. As for the virtual machines, where is the slot and all to insert the CD? Virtual machine is a virtual machine, right? There will be no
Okay.
virtual kind of CD slot and all. So instead
Yes.
of virtual kind of CD slot, we are going to convert that file, that particular operating system into ISO image. Only for the virtual machines, ISO image is needed. For physical
Okay.
machines, no need of ISO image. You can directly put the bootable pen drive and you can start installing the operating system.
Okay.
Okay, just go through the
Yes.
YouTube once, check how they are going to install Windows 10 operating system. Do as it is. Okay, no need to convert into ISO image. You can happily install with the bootable media. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, no problem. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? No questions. Nandri,
think-
Nagesh. Okay, that's fine. There is no questions. You can. Okay. We are going to close the session. Okay, so tomorrow evening we are going to connect by 7:30 p.m. Okay, right. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Huh? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good night. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.